Somebody's got the hiccups.
To me, are these guys that are freaking ruthless, man? It's just like what you call it. This is Outlook, so these are all the challenges. It's like 50 kills on this map.
Yeah, he said I was singing once, but my music, he showed up.